Welcome. This is really gonna be. This is for the video of the Fanimation air drop ceiling fan. So here's the light. It dims. Now I'm filming low speed. That should be low speed. It's got a nice low speed to it. Right. Medium speed. And high speed. Hello, high. It's got nice high speed. Also got a time on as well. Here's the remote. I think it's running in reverse. I don't feel any air from it. I think I'm having my head in reverse. I feel a little air from it, but it might be in reverse. I think it's in I think it's in reverse. But yeah, I can definitely feel the air from it now. It's in reverse. Right. Thanks for watching.